So what are the typical Amazon seller fees? These are the fees that you would pay to Amazon if you were to sell your products on the Amazon marketplace. Now these are a percentage of the total sales price of each item that you sell, and it will vary depending on the product category. Most referral fees are between 8 and 15%. Individual sellers will pay a per fee item of 99 cents, while professional sellers will pay a monthly fee of $39.99. If you use the FBA service, which is the Fulfillment by Amazon service, you'll also pay fees for picking, packing, and shipping your orders. And these fees will depend on the size and weight of your products. And there may also be other fees associated with selling your products on Amazon, such as storage fees, advertising fees, and perhaps long-term storage fees. So here's an example for a hypothetical product. Now, if the product selling price was $10 and the referral fee was 15%, that would be $1.50. And the selling plan fee would be $39.99 per month. And the fulfillment fee, the FBA fee, might be $2.50. So the total fees there would be $43.99. That means that you would receive $6.01 for each sale of this product. So I hope that's helpful and gives you some idea of the types of fees that you might need to pay to Amazon if you sell your products on the Amazon marketplace. And more importantly, the type of margin that you would need in your product in order to be able to actually invest in selling the product on the Amazon marketplace, because there are significant fees to pay. And that's before you even look at the fees for advertising, which has become such an important part of selling on the Amazon marketplace. I hope that was helpful. If it was and you'd like to learn more, come to mrprime.com, book a call, and we'll be glad to see if we could potentially help you. Thank you.